Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the CapCut Beat Sync tutorial. So if you want to match your photos or clips, also transition through the rhythm of any songs, you can just follow my steps in here. So open your CapCut mobile and you can start a new project and open an existing one like I do in here. So I've already added 6 photos into this videos right here. Now you can just tap on add audio and add trending music or audio to the timeline. So for example, in here I'm going to just add this one. You can hit on the plus button and it will be added to your clip. Here I'm going to trim the audio first, and now to add the beat, you can just click on the music in here and swipe through the options until you find beats. And to make it easier for you, you can just auto generate the beats by clicking on this buttons right here, and CapCut will adding the beats. Now you can just choose the intensity between intense or light. So I'm going to just go with in the mediums right here. Tap on a check icon. Now what you need to do next is just trim each images to align with the beats. You'll see a dot on the audio, so you can just trim the photo based on that mark. Okay, just repeat the step. Trim it like this. Okay, after you're done with all of the photos being trimmed, here I'm going to delete the audio that I didn't need, like this. And once you're done, you can just click on the first clip. Now go to animations, combo. Then I'm going to add the pendulum one for the first one in here, and for the second one choose the pendulum 2. So I'm going to just find it to make it quicker. Okay, I've already added animations to all the clips, and after that you are done, and this is the final result. So you'll get the photos and clip that match with the beats. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.